We are out to drop children's to the school. And what happened today?
He forgot his bag.
He forgot his bag.
How you forget your bag?
So Junior, you're going school with the water bottle and the lunch bag, but not your school bag.
No.
So basically, you're going to school for your lunch and for water.
I have books at home. I have books at school.
You have books at school, but not all of it.
Well, most forget
How can you forget the school bag?
Yo, I don't know. Forget your lunch is okay. Forgetting your water bottle is okay. Homework, forget it, okay. Project, no work. But the entire bag, how you forget that?
Bro.
You were just disappointment, bro. Disappointment.
Bro, what a disappointment.
It doesn't even show. Disappointment, bro. Disappointment. Forgetting the bag.
Forgetting the bag? Forgetting the school bag, Junior?
Are you still sleeping?
Huh?
No.
No, his entire mind is in the dabba. Right? Your entire mind is on the dabba. He got a special thing on in his lunch bag today, which is fried rice. Right? So the entire mind is on the lunch dabba.
Yo, how am I gonna demolish this?
Go. Enjoy your dabba.
Can you go a little further? Bye, mommy, I love you.
Bye, I love you too.
Yes, of course. Rub the double, bro. Rub the double.
Yeah, enjoy your dabba, okay?
Okay.
Hello, shirt in kar.
Yes, shirting in.
Yeah, tuck in your shirt.
Yes. Tuk 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 sahur. Chalale chalala. Alala. Bombardino crocodilo. Shut up. You shut up.
You don't even know Italian, right?
Bombardini. Oh well. Go like that. Wait, let me just.
You have your dabba,
Yeah,
your school bag,
yeah,
your water bottle.
yeah.
Good.